Director Munene wa DCI Kana Mohamed Amin niwavuthiisya niw'o unai munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua kuweta Kana Thayu wake Muisyoni itina matisya ala withiitwe aiweta kana nukomanite namo. Amin aineenea kauntini ya Mombasa niwaweta kana Rigathi niwailite kuatiia nzia syailite kulivoti syiko ethiwa niw'o niwiithiitwe aikwata matisya nikano kunikili ula wailite utwaiiw'e. Ingi niumbula kana muvya nukwendea kuthukuma wi mwambana ula wa polisi kuikithia kana vena usesei wa na isioni kivathukanio kavindani ka enenthi maende na kutania vasaka Angelina Muse na movo.
Kuyanana na Director wa DCI Mohamed Amin kana vayina vata wa Rigathi Gachagua kutumia nyumbasi ya movo kunenea matisya na maundumeo kwenye usesei aiweta kana niwailite ulivoti kiseseni chavo lisinekana matambe ala mailite mavikie kuoswa.
Well, I think that matter was adequately responded to by the Inspector General of the National Police Service, that if the former Deputy President has an issue in a matter concerning constituting a threat to his life and property, he should go and report to the nearest police station and not to engage himself in media theatrics. Any reported crime, just like in other citizens of the country, will be investigated to its logical conclusion.
Niwaweta ethiwa niw'o niwiithiitwe komana na matisya niwailite yumilie kula kwimwithia ya usesei nikana kunikili uvikie kutwaiiw'e wala wavuthiisya uneeni wake.
I associate myself fully with the sentiments of the Inspector General and encourage him to go and report the matter to his nearest police station, and he will be treated and accorded assistance just like in other citizens of this country.
Kavindani kau niwatikana nima kuthukuma mwamba na muvya wa polisi kululumeile usese isioni kivathukanio vamwe na kukitana ndawasi ya kumila undu vailite.
Yesterday, today we have reported minimal crimes throughout the country, and this is due to the efforts of our security officers. We have also deployed our anti-terror groups and other tactical teams to beef up our coastal region officers and other parts of the country. They are patrolling all through to make sure that our people are safe and secure. As we are doing that, we are also continuing with our major crackdown in the areas of alcoholisms and drugs and psychotropic substances.
Wanawiyavo kukoni andu kwa kwanzita kueleka amini waweta kana muvya niwende na kuikia ukunikilinika na kukitana na syiko.
We have as a service formed a unit, a specialized unit, particularly to tackle issues of missing persons. And I remember some 2 or 3 weeks ago, the citizen media aired some about 2, 3, 4 missing persons. And the matter was investigated, and we were able to account, if you are a keen follower of our ex-handle, 3. And they all happen to be issues of love triangle and people running away from their parents for one reason or another. So we take issues of missing persons very seriously because it involves matters of life and death. So we have strategies to make sure that those cases are professionally investigated, and so far we are doing very well.
Kulivoti ya vilingi wa movo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni itwa Angelina Muse.